Long before modern humans came to dominate the planet, the Earth was home to a variety of human-like species. Among them were the robust and resourceful Neanderthals. But there was another shadowy figure in the evolutionary story, a group of massive early humans. These giants not only competed with Neanderthals for resources, but may have hunted and even consumed them. This documentary delves into the fascinating and gruesome tale of these mysterious giants, the evidence of their existence, and the chilling interactions they had with Neanderthals. The Pleistocene epoch was an era of giants, from towering mammoths to colossal ground sloths. However, it wasn't just the animal kingdom that boasted massive inhabitants. Fossil evidence suggests that certain early human species, such as Homo heidelbergensis or potentially Denisovans, reached extraordinary heights and sizes compared to both Neanderthals and modern humans. Some researchers hypothesize that environmental factors like abundant food sources and the need for physical strength to survive harsh conditions contributed to their size. Archaeological finds in parts of Asia, Europe, and Africa hint at the existence of these giants. Skeletal remains with thick bones and unusual dimensions paint a picture of a species built for power, a stark contrast to the stocky yet more compact Neanderthals. One of the most unsettling discoveries in the fossil record is evidence of interspecies violence and cannibalism. Excavations in sites like Krapina, Croatia, and El Cedron, Spain, have uncovered Neanderthal bones with cut marks and signs of processing, indications that they were butchered like animals. Could these marks have been made by giant humans? Genetic studies suggest interbreeding occurred between Neanderthals and other hominin species, but physical confrontations likely weren't always friendly. Researchers theorize that during times of scarcity, larger and stronger humans may have turned to their evolutionary cousins for sustenance, seeing them as both competitors and prey. Hunting a Neanderthal would not have been an easy feat. Neanderthals were intelligent, skilled tool users, and worked together in groups to defend themselves. However, the giants would have had certain advantages: their sheer size, strength, and possibly greater endurance. Imagine a scenario where these giants, standing over 7 feet tall, tracked Neanderthals through dense forests or across icy tundras. Armed with primitive yet effective weapons like wooden spears and clubs, they could overpower even the most resilient Neanderthal defenses. This chapter recreates these tense and dramatic encounters based on archaeological evidence and expert analysis. The evidence of cannibalism isn't just in the cut marks on bones. Chemical analysis of Neanderthal remains has revealed traces of human digestion, further supporting the grim narrative. Why would these giants resort to eating Neanderthals? Was it pure survival, ritualistic behavior, or a combination of both? Anthropologists weigh in on the psychological and cultural aspects of cannibalism in prehistoric societies. This chapter also explores how such practices might have shaped the relationship between the two species. Did Neanderthals fear these giants as predators? Did stories of these encounters pass down through oral traditions, eventually becoming the myths and legends of giants found in many cultures? Despite their formidable size and strength, these giant humans eventually disappeared. Climate change, competition with other species, including modern humans, and dwindling resources likely contributed to their downfall. Neanderthals, too, would vanish around 40,000 years ago, leaving modern humans as the sole survivors of the hominin lineage. Yet the legacy of these giants endures in our DNA. Studies show traces of Denisovan and Neanderthal genes in modern humans, hinting at a complex history of interaction. Could the tales of giants in folklore and mythology be distant echoes of these prehistoric encounters? The story of the giant humans who hunted and ate Neanderthals is a reminder of the brutal and competitive world our ancestors inhabited. It challenges us to reconsider what it means to be human and how our species' survival has always hinged on a delicate balance of cooperation and competition. As we uncover more evidence, the line between myth and history continues to blur, revealing a past far stranger and more fascinating than we ever imagined.